This smoothie made my bones and joints feel 20 years younger. As most people know, the health of our bones and joints is very important and depends on our diet. The foods we eat provide our body with different nutrients that can improve or destroy our joints, bones, and overall health. People usually rush to the doctor whenever they feel joint or bone pain, but you should know that there's a simple natural remedy that can relieve it and treat the underlying problem responsible for the condition. The remedy is 100% natural and doesn't cause any adverse side effects. It can be easily prepared at home and will reinforce and nourish your joints and bones, effectively improving your mobility as well. Here's what you need to do. Ingredients: 2 green apples, 1½ cup of spinach, 1/2 a grapefruit. A small piece of ginger, 2 celery stalks, about 2 ice cubes. Preparation and use: put all the ingredients in a blender without the ice and mix until you get a homogeneous mixture. Pour the smoothie in a glass and add a few ice cubes, then drink it immediately. Repeat the process every morning after getting up and you will get rid of your joint and bone pain in just a short time. Few more tips below, for your joints and bones. Smoothie for stronger knee ligaments and ache-free joints. This amazing and all-natural smoothie contains high amounts of healthy nutrients and compounds, which have strong anti-inflammatory properties that can relieve joint pain. It also contains high amounts of vitamin C, bromelain, silicon, and magnesium. And these nutrients also provide strength and energy to all body parts and systems. This smoothie is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Cinnamon pineapple smoothie for healthy joints. Recipe: ingredients: 1 cup 250 milliliters of water, 7 grams of cinnamon, 2 cups of pineapple chunks sliced, 1 cup of instant oatmeal, 1 cup of raw natural orange juice, 40 grams of crushed almonds, 40 grams of raw honey. Directions: just follow the simple instructions. First, you need to cook the instant oatmeal like you normally would. Just add hot water and let it cool for a bit. Then, you need to squeeze the juice from the pineapple chunks. You can blend the honey, cinnamon, water, and almonds, with the orange juice. Make sure you crush the almonds first before you put them in the blender. Or you can buy crushed almonds in the local supermarket. Blend them well, and after that, you can add the pineapple juice and the oatmeal, while it's still blending. You can add some ice cubes if you want and blend again. Enjoy your smoothie. You will notice that just after 2 weeks, your joints and knees will be much better and you can walk and even run without any problems. If you suffer from any type of joint pain, and if you want to strengthen the knee ligaments and tendons, then you should definitely try this cinnamon pineapple smoothie. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.